Good morning, students. Myself Binay Nema. I am your computer teacher. How are your holidays? Okay, nice, good. Now again, welcome back in study. Okay, today I am teaching you topic number system. Number system. This topic based on some maths concept, but in this time this topic also used in computer science. Students, in the earlier time when there were no meaning of countings, people used to count with the help of fingers, stones, matchsticks, so many things, but there were no accurate result of that counting, no accurate criteria, and there were no fixed result. So there are so many difficulties faced by pupil. So after overcome these difficulties, some mathematician introduced different types of number system. Firstly, we will know what is number system. A number system is a set of values used to represent different quantities. What? A number system is a set of values used to represent different quantities. Means, by the use of example, number of students in class, number of viewers in cinema hall, every time represent accurate data. Suppose number of students in your class, yes, 30 students or 40 students. Number of viewers in cinema hall, 100 viewers in cinema hall. So many things. Suppose length of this board 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 meter. This is a fixed type of criteria. So firstly, after that we will know types of number system. Students, you well know some mathematician introduced different types of number system. Firstly, we will know types of number system. Here are 4 types of number system. First number system, binary number system. Second number system, octal number system. Third, decimal number system, hexadecimal number system. Repeat: binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system, hexadecimal number system. Firstly, we will go through with binary number system. Binary number system use 2 digits, 0 and 1. Remember, student, computer also use only 2 digits, 0 and 1. Here 0 means false, 1 means true. You can say 0 means signal is on state, 1 means signal is 0 means signal is false or off stage, and 1 means signal is on stage. 0 means signal is false stage or off stage, 1 means signal is on stage or true stage. Here total digits in binary number system 0 and 1, total 2. Then base of number system is also 2. Binary number system concept used in digital computer. Okay, this is a most important number system because binary number system concept used in computer. Okay, now come on, second type of number system, octal number system. In octal number system there are 8 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, including 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then total digits 8. Then base is also in this number system is also 8. Okay. Now come on, third number system. This is decimal number system. In this number system there are 10 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total digit 10. Then base is also 10. Student, remember this type of number system used in analog computer. Binary number system and decimal number system most important number system because computer always use concept binary number system and decimal number system. Digital computer use binary number system concept and analog computer use decimal number system concept. Okay. Now come on fourth number system. This is hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. In this number system, there are 0, 1, 2, 3, then so on 15. Then total digit including 0 to 15, total digit 16. Then base of this number system is 16. Student, remember here, in this number system, 10 represented by A. 10 represented by A. Capital letter A. 11 represented by capital letter B. 12 represented by capital letter C. 13 represented by capital letter D. 14 represented by capital letter E. And 15 represented by capital letter F. Again, some short summary. Binary number system have 2 digits, 0 and 1. Then total 2 digits. Then base is also 2. Octal number system digits 0, 1, 2, 3, dash 7. Then total digits 8. Then base is also 8. In decimal number system digits 0, 1, 2, dash 9. Then total digits 10. Then base of this number system is also 10. And hexadecimal number system digits 0, 1, 2, dash 15 up to 15. Total digits 16. Then base is also 16. In hexadecimal, student, 10 represented in capital letter A, 11 represented by capital letter B, 12 capital letter C, 13 capital letter D, 14 capital letter E, 15 capital letter F. Student, here must remember base of all number system. Binary number system base 2, octal number system base 8, decimal number system base 10, hexadecimal number system base 16. Why base? Because in your exam mostly question based on conversion. Conversion means convert one number system to another number system. Convert one number system to another number system. Then you must remember base because in your exam only base is visible or other thing is not visible. Okay. So here binary number system base 2, octal number system base 8, decimal number system base 10 and hexadecimal number system base 16. Okay. Now student, firstly we learn rules of conversion. After that we will convert one number system to another number system. Okay. Now come on rules of conversion. These rules apply in conversion of number system. Student must remember these rules because by the with the help of use of this rules of conversion, you can easily learn how to convert one number system into other number system. Okay, rules of conversion. First rules, lower base to upper base. Here all rules depending upon base because in exam only you see base is visible, other thing is not visible. There were no hint which number system convert in which number system. Okay, must remember base of number system. So first rule, when you convert lower base into upper base, when you convert lower base into upper base, then use power method. Lower base, suppose you convert binary number system into decimal number system. Binary number system base is 2 and decimal number system base is 10. Then in this way, lower base to upper base, you use power method. Okay. Now come on second number rules. Upper base to lower base. Suppose you convert decimal number system into binary number system. Base of decimal number system, yes, 10. And base of binary number system, 2. Then upper base to lower base. In this way, use division method. Okay. When lower base to upper base, use power method. When upper base to lower base, use division method. Okay. Now come on third rules. Number third rule, when you convert binary number system into octal number system into binary number system into hexadecimal number system, and hexadecimal number system into binary number system. Again see, binary number system into octal number system into binary, and binary number system into hexadecimal, and hexadecimal number system into binary. In this time you use grouping method. Which method? Grouping method. Students, see here common part is binary. Okay? Means binary into octal into binary into hexadecimal, and hexadecimal into binary. Then you use grouping method. Okay. Now rules number 4. Student, listen carefully. Decimal number system range, data range of decimal number system is high compared than hexadecimal number system. Then hexadecimal assume low base and decimal number system assume high base. Okay. Hexadecimal number system base is lower than comparison than decimal number system. Okay. So when you convert hexadecimal number system into decimal number system, then use lower base to upper base concept, then use power method. When you use decimal number system into hexadecimal number system, then use upper base to lower base concept, because data range of decimal number system compare than high of hexadecimal number system. In this way you use, when you convert decimal number system into hexadecimal number system, upper base to lower base, then use division method. Again repeat, lower base to upper base you use power method, upper base to lower base you use division method. Number third rules, binary to octal to binary to hexadecimal into binary, then you use grouping method. Number fourth rules, hexadecimal to decimal, then use concept lower base to upper base, use power method. When you convert decimal into hexadecimal, concept upper base to lower base, then use division method. Now student, we are converting one number system to another number system. Firstly, we will convert binary into decimal number system. Okay. Now firstly convert binary into decimal number system. Binary to decimal. Base of binary number system is 2 and base of number system is decimal number system is 10. So in exam you see question, suppose 1101 to binary number system have only 2 digits 1 and 0, and you find What is the decimal value of this binary quantity, binary value? Okay, here you can see or blank space or dash or question mark in exam. Blank, dash or question mark. So here dash. Okay. Now we will convert binary into decimal. Then answer. Okay. Firstly, identify which type of number system? Binary into decimal. So write firstly question. Firstly, identify binary to decimal. Binary to decimal. Okay. Means lower base to upper base. Lower base into upper base. Lower base into upper base. Okay. Then use which method? Yes, power method. Power method. Okay. Use power method. So here you convert this base into this base. So then here write first digit. First digit is 1. How many digit remaining? 1, 2, 3. First we write first digit. How many digit remaining? 1, 2, 3. Then 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus second digit. Again 1. How many digit remaining? 1, 2. Then 2 to the power 2. Then number third digit 0. How many digit remaining? Only 1. Then 2 to the power 1 plus last digit remaining 1. There is no digit remaining. Then 2 to the power 0. Okay. So here 1 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2 3 times plus here 2 to the power 2 means 2 into 2 2 times. Here 0. Then all 0 into anything. Then 0. 1. Student, remember here when the power of 0 in any number or any variable, then always time answer is 1. Means 2 to the power 0 or any number power 0, then answer always 1. Now calculate 1. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4. 4 to the 8. 1. 2 into 2. 4. 0. 1 into 1. 1. Again 1 into 8. 8. 1 into 4. 4. 0. 1. Then 8 plus 4. 12. Plus 1. 13. Then answer. Then answer of this question 1102 equal 13 10. You can also say 1101 in binary, then result in decimal. Then result in decimal 13 10. Then answer. Okay. So now this is binary to decimal again. Here number is 1101 to 10. First we write question, then identify binary to decimal. We are converting binary into decimal. Identify, this is lower base, this is upper base. In this way you use power method. Here you write first digit into how many digit remaining? 1, 2, 3, then 2 to the power 3. Again written second digit, this is also 1. How many digit remaining? 2 digit remaining, then 2 to the power 2 plus 0. How many digit remaining? Only 1 remaining, then 2 to the power 1 plus last digit 1, there is no digit remaining, then 2 to the power 0. Here 1, 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2 3 times plus 1 into 2 to the power 2, then 2 into 2 times. Here all 0 plus 1 and number power is 0, then value 1 into 1. Here 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 8. 1 2 into 2 4. 0 1 into 1 1. Then after calculation 1 into 8 8. 1 into 4 4. 0 1. 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 1 13. Then answer 1 1 0 1 2 13 times means binary value this, decimal value this. Now we are converting decimal into binary. Okay, decimal into binary. Decimal into binary. We are converting decimal number system into binary. Our decimal answer is